Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome back to the garden. This is one corner of the garden, guys. I never access it, but I'm planning to plant or arrange it or fix it more where I can come here and sitting down or do few stuff on it. As you guys see, there's a mango tree here, there's a flower, there's a guava tree here, there's a big cherry tree right here, and of course there's some medium mangoes right there with all of them have blooms. Yes, but when I cut trees, I think the tree I cut last time, the branch are on the ground here. I am going to fix that, but yes, that's what I'm going to do today, fixing some stuff. Fixing stuff. Look at this. Look at this. Oh Lord. Jesus, you're so good to me. So good to me. I need to clean few more stuff because I need to bring some woods where they can have some fresh air for them to do good. Alright guys, thank you for watching.